This video was requested by Old Man Briggs Clock Repair. This is a video of my pre-World War II hunter-style cuckoo clock. It's somewhere in the 1800s, 1876 maybe. It just looks so new because I cleaned up all the wood. This clock actually toppled off of a wall and a couple of pieces broke. But the songs it plays Blue Dot Danube and that other one. Can't say it. I don't know how to say that. That's the Blue Danube. It's actually I like the Blue Danube on the hour, so I'll just push the music wire again. All original parts. The antlers are bone. His deer head, I believe, is bone too. These hands are bone. These numbers are bone. These are, I think, bone or plastic. It could be. That too. These weights are original to the clock. These hooks may not be original, but I redid the movement in this. It would not run before. Now it runs great. So if you have any requests to hear another clock, let me know down in the description below.